everyone, what's going on? Joey here, and today in the Wildwoods, it's kind of a weird weather day. You know, every once in a while, you have one of those days where it's not hot and sunny, and it's kind of just really cloudy. You can kind of look behind me. It's roughly about 4 o'clock, so it's really not a good day for the beach. It's a great day to walk on the boardwalk, though. Go to all the shops, get some food, maybe go to the Cape May Zoo, walk around Cape May. Anyway, I figured with everyone on the boardwalk, I would get the drone in the sky to go ahead and give you guys a bird's eye view of what the boardwalk looks like right now. But anyway, let me go ahead and get the drone in the sky for you guys. It's a little bit windy. Hopefully it's going to be steady. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe, turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon, and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get started. So there you guys go. If you saw, the wind actually picked up a lot. This drone can only do about 12 miles per hour before it gets a little too goofy. So I was, you can actually hear it right now coming in really thick. But yeah, I tried to go ahead and fly far enough away from the boardwalk so that it wasn't over people, because you can't fly over people, of course. But a little bit shaky at times, and I apologize about that. But thank you so much for joining me. If you have any ideas on where you want me to fly the drone next, let me know. I got a couple other videos of the drone coming out soon, including Champagne Island. Thank you for joining me. Please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. I'm Joey, and I'll see you guys on the beach right over here. See you later. Bye.
Let's look to see what we're gonna get. Shrimp. I first